Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaki Nirwando. I am student of Senior High School Muhammadiyah Sri Genteng. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the world, the Master and the Creator of everything in the universe, the destroyer of all oppressor and the hope of the oppressor, for enabling us to meet together in the simple but peaceful place. Peace and salutation be upon the noble Prophet of Islam, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and his household, his companions, and his faithful followers who strive in Allah religious of Islam. I express my gratitude from the bottom of my deepest heart to Master of Ceremony for giving me valuable chance so that I can speak in front of you all. I take this great opportunity to deliver a speech under the title The Youth Responsibility. Dear Muslim brother, when when we talk about the youngster in Indonesia, we often feel many articles and we ourselves when witness and support the development of nation. They are the hope of the nation who will carry out things struggle for the sake of the future of the country. Similarly, they are the same time the hope of Islam religion who will strive for the sake of Islamic teaching in the next maintenance of the Islamic laws, who will safeguard the young Muslim generation athletes from the influence of destruction Western lifestyle, who will be the leader for the next is what's yelled as Subhanul Yawm Rijalul Khan. The that is young, tomorrow will be a leader. This testament encourages us to pay attention to the youngster existed in the future. In knowing all the facts, we realize how important the role of the young generation is in the future. They are supposedly symbolize the force that never becomes big quickly. The youngster play significant roles and have a great potential and energy that can be traded. They are Muslim in one Aqidah. Therefore, our religion enjoins us to be flexible Muslim leaders for the society who ultimately have to devote themselves for the development of Muslim community at large. Ironically, the ICT information and communication technology era, we witness the conduct of young people are always against the Islamic laws. We pay attention to many young people who are not aware of their education, their future, and it is poor if we say our Muslim brother in our community, they are Muslim in one Aqidah. Therefore, our religion enjoins us to be flexible Muslim leaders for the society who ultimately put themselves for the development of Muslim community at large. Ironically, in the ICT information and communication technology era, we witness the conduct of young people are always against the Islamic laws. We pay attention to many young people who are not aware of the education, their future, and its for if we say our Muslim brother in our country intentionally affecting Islamic teaching for follow the Western culture. We can imagine and describe what is going to happen in the next time if all young Muslim people are careless in the responsibility. We have to be aware that the responsibility of nation developing and religion establishing depend on the young generation by those considerations, we should be very careful with any of destructive Western lifestyle and culture that will affect the Islamic core values teaching. As the Muslim generation, we have a great responsibility to the future of religion and nation. Young generation is the only hope of the life of nation. The development and the decline of nations depend on them, and the victory and the destruction of religion and nation are on the hands of next generation. Is with right what Mustafa Al-Kulayain said in the book of Idatum Nasyi'in, Ya Masyara Syabab, Inna fi yadikum amrul ummah, wa fi adamikum ayatuha. He has surely all kind of community problem in the success of not depend on your hands, and surely the development of religion, nation, and country are on your shoulder. Dear Muslim, last but not the last, I would like to tell you all to prepare our generation in order to be able to replace. And I hope you and all Muslim society and Muslim brother verify they are to abstain from bad action, and furthermore we have to develop our skill and potential to raise up to better future. Amin ya rabbal alamin. That's all for my speech, and thanks a lot for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.